Welcome to the Sports General Knowledge Quiz. Get ready to test your sports knowledge. Let's begin.
First question. Which country will host the 2034 FIFA Men's World Cup? Your options are Spain, Saudi Arabia, Brazil, Australia. The answer is Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia will be the sole host country of the 2034 FIFA World Cup. Here is the next question. In which year will the first edition of the ICC Women's T20 Champions Trophy be held? Here are the options. 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029. The answer is 2027. The Women's T20 Champions Trophy will be held for the first time in 2027. Question number 3. Which country will host the 2027 FIBA Men's Basketball World Cup? Options: Qatar, India, France, China. Right answer, Qatar. Qatar will host the 2027 FIBA Men's Basketball World Cup. Which Indian city will host the 2030 Commonwealth Games? New Delhi, Bengaluru, Mumbai, Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad in Gujarat will host the 2030 Commonwealth Games. Let us move to the next question. Which country will host the 2027 Men's Rugby World Cup? The choices are Australia, England, United States, New Zealand. Correct answer, Australia. Australia will host the 2027 Men's Rugby World Cup. Let us move to the next question. Which major sport will return to the Olympic Games in 2028? The choices are Kabaddi, Cricket, Kho-Kho, Polo. The right answer is cricket. Cricket will return to the Olympic Games in 2028 after 128 years. Which country hosted the 2026 AFC Women's Asian Cup Football Tournament? India, Australia, China, Japan. Australia. The 2026 AFC Women's Asian Cup was hosted by Australia. Next question. Which edition of the AFC Asian Cup will be held in 2027? Choose from these options. 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. The right answer is 19th. The tournament in Saudi Arabia will be the 19th edition of the AFC Asian Cup. Try this next question. In which country will the World Games 2029 be held? Options: Germany, Italy, Austria, Switzerland. And the correct answer is Germany. Karlsruhe in Germany will host the World Games 2029. Now, the next one. Which city will host the 2030 Asian Games? Options: Riyadh, Doha, Dubai, Abu Dhabi. Correct answer, Doha. Doha in Qatar will host the 21st Asian Games. On which continent will the 2027 FIFA Women's World Cup be held? Asia, Europe, South America, Africa. South America. The host country, Brazil, is located in South America. Which country will host the 2027 FIFA Women's World Cup? Germany, Brazil, Japan, Canada. Brazil. Brazil will host the 2027 FIFA Women's World Cup. Next question. Which city will host the 2028 Summer Olympic Games? Your options are Los Angeles, Brisbane, Paris, Rome. Correct answer, Los Angeles. Los Angeles in the United States will host the LA 28 Olympic Games. Now, the next one. How many countries will jointly host the 2027 ICC Men's OD First World Cup? Your options are 1, 2, 3, 4. Right answer, 3. South Africa, Zimbabwe and Namibia will jointly host the tournament. Question number 15. Which country will host the 2027 AFC Asian Cup? Your options are Qatar, Japan, Saudi Arabia, China. The answer is Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia will host the AFC Asian Cup for the first time. Try this next question. Which city will host the 2032 Summer Olympic Games? Choose from these options: Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, Perth. And the correct answer is Brisbane. Brisbane in Australia will host the 2032 Olympic Games. Which city will host the 2027 World Athletics Championships? Tokyo, Beijing, Seoul, Shanghai. Beijing. Beijing in China will host the 2027 World Athletics Championships. Next question. How many teams participated in the 2026 ICC Men's T20 Cricket World Cup? Options: 10 teams, 16 teams, 20 teams, 24 teams. Right answer: 20 teams. 20 teams competed in a total of 55 matches at the 2026 ICC Men's T20 World Cup. Which countries will jointly host UEFA Euro 2032? Italy and Turkey, Spain and Portugal, France and Germany, England and Scotland. Italy and Turkey. Italy and Turkey will jointly host Euro 2032. Which country will host the 2029 ICC Men's Champions Trophy? Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. India. India will host the 2029 ICC Men's Champions Trophy. Try this next question. Which city will host the 2034 Asian Games? Options: Riyadh, Jeddah, Doha, Muscat. The right answer is Riyadh. Riyadh in Saudi Arabia will host the 2034 Asian Games. Which country will host the 2027 ICC Women's T20 Champions Trophy? India, Sri Lanka, England, South Africa. Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka will host the inaugural Women's T20 Champions Trophy. In which country is Wimbledon, the world's oldest Grand Slam tennis tournament, held? United States, France, United Kingdom, Australia. United Kingdom. The Wimbledon Championships are held at the All England Club in London, England. Which will be the first FIFA Women's World Cup held in South America? 2023, 2027, 2031, 2035. 2027. Brazil 2027 will be the first Women's World Cup held in South America. Try this next question. For which Summer Olympic and Paralympic Games has India submitted a letter of intent to the IOC? Choose from these options: 2032, 2036, 2040, 2044. And the correct answer is 2036. The Indian Olympic Association submitted a letter of intent to the IOC to host the 2036 Games. Try this next question. What is the name of the trophy awarded to the FIBA World Cup winners? Your options are Webb Ellis Cup, Naismith Trophy, Thomas Cup, Davis Cup. The answer is Naismith Trophy. The winners of the Men's FIBA World Cup are awarded the Naismith Trophy. In which country will the 2027 World Athletics Championships be held? China, Japan, South Korea, Singapore. China. Beijing, the capital of China, will host the 2027 championships. Which major racket sport has been added to the 2028 Los Angeles Olympic Games? Table tennis, squash, badminton, paddle. Squash. Squash is one of the 5 additional sports approved for the LA 28 Olympic Games. How often are the Summer Olympic Games generally held? Every 2 years, every 3 years, every 4 years, every 5 years. Every 4 years. There is generally a 4-year gap between each edition of the Summer Olympic Games. Which will be the first Men's Rugby World Cup to feature 24 teams? 2023, 2027, 2031, 2035, 2027. The tournament will expand to 24 teams beginning with Australia 2027. Which country is not a co-host of the 2027 ODI Cricket World Cup? South Africa, Zimbabwe, Namibia, Kenya. Kenya. Only South Africa, Zimbabwe and Namibia are the joint hosts. Next question. Which country will host men's OD first World Cup matches for the first time? Choose from these options. Namibia, South Africa, Zimbabwe, India. And the correct answer is Namibia. Namibia will host men's OD first World Cup matches for the first time. In which format will cricket be played at the LA 28 Olympic Games? Test, One Day International, T20, T10. T20. The men's and women's Olympic cricket competitions will be played in the T20 format. Which countries will jointly host the 2028 Men's T20 World Cup? India and Sri Lanka, Australia and New Zealand, England and Ireland, South Africa and Zimbabwe. Australia and New Zealand. Australia and New Zealand will host the 2028 Men's T20 World Cup. Which country will host the Men's T20 World Cup for the first time? Australia, New Zealand, England, India. New Zealand. New Zealand will co-host the Men's T20 World Cup for the first time in 2028. Let us move to the next question. Which cricket board has been awarded the hosting rights for the 2028 ICC Women's T20 World Cup? Choose from these options. BCCI, PCB, ECB, SLC. Correct answer, PCB. The Pakistan Cricket Board has been awarded the hosting rights for the 2028 Women's T20 World Cup. Try this next question. Where will India's matches in the 2028 Women's T20 World Cup be played? Your options are: in India, only in Pakistan, at a neutral venue, in Australia. Correct answer, at a neutral venue. A neutral venue arrangement will apply to matches involving India. Which city will host the 2028 Paralympic Games? Paris, Los Angeles, Brisbane, Tokyo. Los Angeles. The 2028 Paralympic Games will be held in Los Angeles, United States, from August 15 to 27. Which country will host the 2028 Winter Youth Olympic Games? France, Italy, Switzerland, Norway. Italy. The games will be held in Italy's Dolomiti Valtellina region. Let us move to the next question. What type of sporting event is Dolomiti Valtellina 2028? Choose from these options. Summer Olympic Games, Winter Youth Olympic Games, Asian Games, Commonwealth Games. Correct answer, Winter Youth Olympic Games. It is a Winter Olympic event for young athletes. Question number 41. Which city will host the World Games 2029? The choices are: Berlin, Munich, Karlsruhe, Hamburg. The right answer is Karlsruhe. Karlsruhe in Germany will host the World Games 2029. The World Games mainly provide a platform for which sports? Only cricket. Only football. Many sports not included in the Olympic Games. Only athletics. Many sports not included in the Olympic Games. Many non-Olympic sports are featured at the World Games. Which country will host the 2029 Women's Rugby World Cup? New Zealand, Australia, United States, England. Australia. Australia will host the 2029 Women's Rugby World Cup. In which region will the 2030 Winter Olympic Games be held? French Alps, Swiss Alps, Italian Alps, Japanese Alps. French Alps. The French Alps region will host the 2030 Winter Olympic Games. Let us move to the next question. In which country will French Alps 2030 be held? The choices are Italy, France, Switzerland, Austria. Correct answer, France. The French Alps are located in France. Which are the main host countries of the 2030 FIFA World Cup? Morocco, Portugal and Spain. Argentina, Brazil and Uruguay. Italy, France and Germany. United States, Canada and Mexico. Morocco, Portugal and Spain. Most of the 2030 FIFA World Cup matches will be hosted by these three countries. Here is the next question. On which continent will the centenary matches of the 2030 FIFA World Cup be held? Options: Asia, Africa, South America, North America. The right answer is South America. Special matches will be held in Argentina, Paraguay and Uruguay. In how many countries will the 2030 FIFA World Cup be held? 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. The 3 main hosts and 3 centenary hosts make a total of 6 countries. Why is the 2030 FIFA World Cup historically significant as a centenary tournament? FIFA will complete 100 years. It marks 100 years since the first World Cup. The Spanish team will complete 100 years. 100 teams will participate. It marks 100 years since the first World Cup. The first FIFA Men's World Cup was held in 1930. In which year was the first FIFA World Cup held? 1924, 1928, 1930, 1934. 1930. The first FIFA World Cup was held in Uruguay in 1930. How many countries will host the 2030 Men's T20 World Cup? 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. England, Wales, Ireland and Scotland will jointly host the tournament. Here is the next question. Which of the following is not a host country of the 2030 Men's T20 World Cup? Options: England, Ireland, Scotland, Australia. Right answer, Australia. Australia is a co-host of the 2028 Men's T20 World Cup. By what special name will the 2030 Commonwealth Games be recognized? Golden Jubilee Games, Centenary Games, Youth Games, Winter Games. Centenary Games. This edition will be held 100 years after the first Commonwealth Games. In which year were the first Commonwealth Games held? 1920, 1926, 1930, 1936. 1930. The history of the Commonwealth Games began in 1930. In which year did India previously host the Commonwealth Games? 2002, 2006, 2010, 2014. 2010. The 2010 Commonwealth Games were held in New Delhi. Let us move to the next question. Ahmedabad 2030 will be which Commonwealth Games hosted in India? Options: first, second, third, fourth. The right answer is second. It will be the second Commonwealth Games in India after Delhi 2010. Now, the next one. Which edition of the Asian Games will be held in 2030? Options: 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd. And the correct answer is 21 stone. Doha will host the 21st Asian Games. Which edition of the Asian Games will be held in 2034? 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th. 22nd. Riyadh will host the 22nd Asian Games. Now, the next one. In which year will Saudi Arabia host the Asian Games for the first time? The choices are 2027, 2030, 2032, 2034. The right answer is 2034. Riyadh 2034 will be Saudi Arabia's first time hosting the Asian Games. Which countries will host the 2031 ICC Men's OD First World Cup? India and Bangladesh. India and Sri Lanka. Pakistan and Bangladesh. Australia and New Zealand. India and Bangladesh. The two South Asian countries will jointly host the 2031 World Cup. How often is the FIFA Men's Football World Cup generally held? Every 2 years. Every 3 years. Every 4 years. Every 5 years. Every 4 years. The FIFA Men's World Cup is generally held once every 4 years. Here is the next question. The origins of lacrosse, which is returning to the Olympic Games in 2028, are associated with whom? Here are the options. European sailors. Indigenous peoples of North America. Japanese samurai. Australian cricketers. The right answer is indigenous peoples of North America. Lacrosse originated in the traditions of indigenous communities in North America. Let us move to the next question. Which country will host the 2031 Men's Rugby World Cup? Choose from these options. Australia, United States, France, South Africa. The right answer is United States. The United States will host the Men's Rugby World Cup for the first time. Which country will host the 2033 Women's Rugby World Cup? United States, Australia, Canada, England. United States. After hosting the men's tournament in 2031, the United States will host the women's tournament in 2033. Which country will host the 2031 and 2033 Rugby World Cups? Australia, New Zealand, United States, France. United States. The United States will host the men's and women's Rugby World Cups respectively. Here is the next question. In which countries will the first 3 special centenary matches of the 2030 FIFA World Cup be held? Options. Uruguay, Argentina and Paraguay. Brazil, Chile and Peru. Spain, Portugal and Morocco. United States, Canada and Mexico. The right answer is Uruguay, Argentina and Paraguay. To mark 100 years since the first World Cup, one special match will be held in each of these 3 South American countries. Here is the next question. How many groups will there be in the 2031 FIFA Women's World Cup? Options. 8, 10, 12, 16. Right answer, 12. The 48 teams will be divided into 12 groups of 4 teams each. Which countries jointly hosted the 2026 ICC Men's T20 Cricket World Cup? India and Sri Lanka. Australia and New Zealand. England and Ireland. South Africa and Zimbabwe. India and Sri Lanka. India and Sri Lanka jointly hosted the 2026 Men's T20 World Cup. Which group of countries submitted a joint bid to host the 2031 FIFA Women's World Cup? United States, Mexico, Costa Rica and Jamaica. Brazil, Argentina, Uruguay and Chile. England, Scotland, Wales and Ireland. Japan, China, Korea and Australia. United States, Mexico, Costa Rica and Jamaica. These 4 countries submitted a joint bid to host the 2031 tournament. In which month will the 2027 FIFA Women's World Cup begin? January, March, June, October. June. The 2027 FIFA Women's World Cup in Brazil will begin on June 24th and conclude on July 25th. In which country will the Brisbane 2032 Olympic Games be held? United States, Australia, Canada, New Zealand. Australia. Brisbane is located in the Australian state of Queensland. Let us move to the next question. Brisbane 2032 will mark Australia's which occasion as host of the Summer Olympic Games? Your options are first, second, third, fourth. The right answer is third. After Melbourne and Sydney, Brisbane will be Australia's third Summer Olympic host city. Let us move to the next question. Euro 2032 is associated with which sport? The choices are cricket, football, rugby, hockey. The answer is football. Euro is Europe's men's national football championship. Which organization conducts the Euro competition? FIFA, AFC, UEFA, IOC. UEFA. UEFA, the governing body of European football, conducts the tournament. Question number 75. In which region will the 2034 Winter Olympic Games be held? Options: Utah, Texas, California, Florida. The answer is Utah. Salt Lake City, Utah will host the 2034 Winter Olympic Games. Next question. In which country will Utah 2034 be held? Choose from these options: Canada, United States, France, Norway. The answer is United States. Utah is a state in the United States. Try this next question. How many additional sports have been approved for the LA 28 Olympic Games? Options: 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct answer: 5. The 5 additional sports are baseball, softball, cricket, flag football, lacrosse and squash. Here is the next question. Which country will become the first nation to host a 48-team FIFA World Cup on its own? Here are the options: Spain, Saudi Arabia, United States, Brazil. And the correct answer is Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia will host all the matches of the 2034 FIFA World Cup. Here is the next question. The AFC Asian Cup is associated with which sport? Choose from these options: cricket, football, basketball, hockey. The right answer is football. It is Asia's men's national football championship. Before its return in 2028, in which year was cricket last played at the Olympic Games? 1896, 1900, 1904, 1908. 1900. Cricket was played at the Olympic Games for the first and only time at Paris 1900. It will return at LA 28 after 128 years. Which country hosted the first FIFA Men's World Cup in 1930? Brazil, Italy, Uruguay, Argentina. Uruguay. The first FIFA Men's World Cup was held in Uruguay in 1930. Next question. Which of the following is not a host city of the 2027 AFC Asian Cup? Choose from these options: Riyadh, Jeddah, Al Khobar, Doha. And the correct answer is Doha. Doha is a city in Qatar. The other cities are hosts in Saudi Arabia. Let us move to the next question. Which edition of the FIFA Women's World Cup will be held in 2027? The choices are 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th. And the correct answer is 10th. Brazil 2027 will be the 10th edition of the FIFA Women's World Cup. Question number 84. Which team will enter the 2027 FIFA Women's World Cup as the defending champion? Your options are United States, Spain, Germany, England. And the correct answer is Spain. Spain won the 2023 FIFA Women's World Cup. FIBA is the global governing body of which sport? Football, basketball, badminton, rugby. Basketball. FIBA is the international governing body for basketball. World Rugby is the international governing body of which sport? Rugby, cricket, football, athletics. Rugby. World Rugby administers the Men's and Women's Rugby World Cups. ICC is the international governing body of which sport? Hockey, cricket, tennis, football. Cricket. The ICC organizes international cricket competitions. Try this next question. The IOC is the principal organization associated with which sporting event? The choices are Olympic Games, FIFA World Cup, Asian Cup, Cricket World Cup. Right answer, Olympic Games. The International Olympic Committee oversees the Olympic movement. Try this next question. Which sporting event is administered by the OCA? Choose from these options. Commonwealth Games, Asian Games, Olympic Games, FIFA World Cup. The right answer is Asian Games. The Olympic Council of Asia administers the Asian Games. Commonwealth sport is associated with which sporting event? Asian Games, Commonwealth Games, World Athletics Championships, Rugby World Cup. Commonwealth Games. The organization administers the multi-sport event for Commonwealth nations. Let us move to the next question. What is common to the 2027 and 2031 Men's OD First World Cups? Here are the options. 14 teams. A single host country. 20 teams. T20 format. The right answer is 14 teams. Both World Cups will use an expanded 14-team format. Try this next question. Separate cricket competitions at the LA 28 Olympic Games will be held for whom? Here are the options. Men only. Women only. Men and women. Mixed teams only. Correct answer, men and women. LA 28 will feature separate men's and women's T20 cricket tournaments. Next question. How many matches were played in the 2026 ICC Men's T20 World Cup? Here are the options. 45, 48, 55, 60. Right answer, 55. A total of 55 matches were played in the 20-team 2026 ICC Men's T20 World Cup. Try this next question. Which two centenary sporting events will be held in 2030? Your options are FIFA World Cup and Commonwealth Games, Olympic Games and Asian Games, T20 World Cup and Euro, Rugby World Cup and FIBA World Cup. Right answer, FIFA World Cup and Commonwealth Games. Both sporting events were first held in 1930. Try this next question. Which two major future sporting events will Qatar host? The choices are FIBA World Cup 2027 and Asian Games 2030. FIFA Women's World Cup 2027 and Olympic Games 2032. Rugby World Cup 2027 and Euro 2032. Commonwealth Games 2030 and FIFA World Cup 2034. Right answer, FIBA World Cup 2027 and Asian Games 2030. Qatar will host the Basketball World Cup in 2027 and the Asian Games in 2030. Which is the correct pair of major sporting events to be hosted by Saudi Arabia? AFC Asian Cup 2027 and FIFA World Cup 2034. FIBA World Cup 2027 and Olympic Games 2032. FIFA Women's World Cup 2027 and Euro 2032. T20 World Cup 2028 and Commonwealth Games 2030. AFC Asian Cup 2027 and FIFA World Cup 2034. Saudi Arabia will host both major football tournaments. Now, the next one. Which is the correct pair of future sporting events to be hosted by India? Options. Champions Trophy 2029 and Commonwealth Games 2030. FIFA World Cup 2030 and Olympic Games 2032. Rugby World Cup 2029 and Euro 2032. FIBA World Cup 2027 and Asian Games 2034. And the correct answer is Champions Trophy 2029 and Commonwealth Games 2030. India will host an ICC tournament in 2029 and the Commonwealth Games in 2030. Which is the correct group of sporting events to be hosted by Australia? Men's Rugby World Cup 2027, Women's Rugby World Cup 2029 and Olympic Games 2032. FIFA Women's World Cup 2027 and Euro 2032. Asian Games 2030 and FIFA World Cup 2034. Champions Trophy 2029 and Commonwealth Games 2030. Men's Rugby World Cup 2027, Women's Rugby World Cup 2029 and Olympic Games 2032. Australia will host several major global sporting events in succession. Here is the next question. Which is the correct pair of host cities for the 2028 and 2032 Olympic Games? Here are the options. Los Angeles and Brisbane. Paris and Sydney. Rome and Melbourne. London and Tokyo. The answer is Los Angeles and Brisbane. The United States will host the Summer Olympic Games in 2028 and Australia in 2032. Which is the correct pair of hosts for the 2030 and 2034 Winter Olympic Games? French Alps and Utah. Brisbane and Los Angeles. Doha and Riyadh. Rome and Tokyo. French Alps and Utah. The 2030 Winter Olympic Games will be held in France, and the 2034 edition will be held in Utah, United States.